So I recently did a video on how you could create a cropped view in Fusion by kind of using a workaround. Well, guess what? Autodesk just released a new functionality in drawings on creating cropped views. So let's take a look at this new command. So a while back I did a video on creating a cropped view using a workaround by using this breakout section view, but Autodesk just added this new crop view command, and it's actually very useful and much easier than using the workaround. You'll notice it exists in the menu bar or under the create menu crop view. Pretty simple. All you have to do is select your view that you want to crop, and then it says specify the first corner of the window. So I'm going to click once and drag, and then click again, and you can see it quickly cropped everything else away and kept what was inside of that window. You'll notice also that you have the ability to show the outline, which is, these little jagged lines right here. If I turn that off, it just leaves it open. I'll go ahead and say OK, and we now have this view. And it behaves just like any other drawing view. So if I edit this, I could come in and, for example, make it shaded. I could change the scale of it from 1 to 5 to be like 1 to 4, for example. And change whether it has tangent edges or not, etc., etc. It behaves just like any other view. Now, if I move inside the view and get kind of near the edge, you'll see this gray box appear, and this is actually the crop window. So if I click on that, you can see it allows me to change the size of the crop window. So I could grab, for example, this corner and drag it down a little bit, maybe drag this up a little bit to enclose more of this little cross member here, for example. So you have the ability to adjust the crop window. If you want to get rid of it, you just come in, select that, and then hit the delete key, and it removes the whole crop. So I'm going to go ahead and undo that, and let's just go ahead and move this over here, and I'm going to go ahead and create another base view. Let's do northwest, and I'll do a 1 to 4 in this case. Place it here and say OK. I'll just do another quick crop. This time I'll do this upper region here. Just draw the window the way I want it to look. I'll turn off the outline in this example, say OK. And just like I showed before, I could come in. Let's go ahead and make this one shaded and close that window. And I really think this is pretty neat because it allows you to have multiple views on your sheet without having to have views off to the side. Oops, I dragged too far on that one. There we go. I can have multiple views on my sheet. I don't have to have extra views off to the side or anything like that. Now you cannot create detail views off of a cropped view, unfortunately. Just a heads up on that. So that is the new crop command. Go ahead and play around with it, see what you think, and hopefully you find it as useful as I do. I hope you found that video useful. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe and share it with others. And as always, have fun learning Fusion. And see you next time.